Ang pang-garden ay ang Carrefour. Saan na yung aking $15. Balaya tayo nito, Clark. Where is, excuse me, for the garden stuff, where can I find it? Garden, like hose, like for the garden, for the watering garden. You want to water. Where is the place for the garden? Okay. Excuse me, can I ask where is for the garden stuff?
Go last. Take left side last.
Okay, thank you. Ang layo kaya yun. Buligan na nila to. Ayun. Madam, maghintay ka. Hindi ko alam kung saan na banda daming bag. Magbili tayong bag kaya alis na tayo. Uwi na tayo. Hi. Hi. Only this one. Wala yung aking sprinkler. Ganito lang. Wala yung aking sprinkler. Yala, bye. Bili tayong ganito, Clolin. 305. Ang mahal. Daming bahag. Saan ko kaya makita ang babay niya?